Alexis Leen wines are full of flavor. Alexis Leen wines are dry. Alexis Leen wines are mellow. Drink an Alexis Leen wine with any kind of food, or anytime you feel like relaxing with a drink. Alexis Leen, fine French wines.
I have this terrible problem with my hair after shampooing. The comb gets stuck in the tangles and it hurts. Thank goodness Johnson's just invented No More Tangles. Mommy just sprays some on at No More Tangles. And see how shiny and manageable my hair stays. Johnson's No More Tangles, the first cream rinse for children.
The American Adventure, brought to you by the Jeep Corporation. It takes guts to go where no one else goes. Jeep Guts.
You are looking at a heart valve made of titanium. One of these beats in the heart of Anthony Triola, and United States Steel is involved. Anthony is maitre d' of a busy New York restaurant. A year ago, he couldn't walk across the room without panting. Today, he works hard, plays with his son, lives an active life thanks to modern surgery and a titanium valve. The titanium comes from Reactive Metals Incorporated, an affiliate of United States Steel. The bouncing ball is the key part of the valve. Our metallurgists found how to weld it so it's hollow, perfectly balanced, and strong enough to last a whole new lifetime. Thousands of people live useful lives because our titanium helps bring advances to modern surgery. At United States Steel, we're involved. When you and your family visit Walt Disney World in Florida, come, stay in this spectacular hotel. It's one of two that United States Steel helped plan and build here. But this is more than a hotel. It's a prototype of a whole new way to build, and we're involved. Everything about it is striking, but most unusual is the way the rooms were made. Instead of being built in place, the rooms for this hotel were assembled in a nearby factory by our American Bridge Division. First came a steel frame, then a floor of poured concrete, wall panels from our USS Holmes Division. Next, the ceiling with air conditioning built right in. Then wall covering, a complete bath, even sliding doors. When the units leave the factory, they're trucked to the site and fitted into this 14-story frame like drawers into a chest. We're confident that schools, hospitals, and other structures will soon be built this revolutionary way. We not only supplied the structural steel, the cement and the foundations came from our Universal Atlas Cement Division. So come, stay at this unique hotel, a remarkable place inside and out. We're finding new ways to build. At United States Steel, we're involved.
what my husband gave me for my birthday? An apple tree. Obviously, he doesn't think I look like the glamorous type. I guess he thinks I look more like the healthy outdoor type.
A wife and mother talks about healthy-looking skin and Ivory soap.
If my skin's fresh and healthy looking, I guess it's because I've gotten down to basics. You know, fresh air, sunshine, healthy foods, and lots of soap and water. Which the kids aren't too crazy about. We use Ivory around this house. Ivory's natural soap. Simple, basic soap. Ivory cleans gently, and to me, gentle, regular cleaning, very basic for healthy-looking skin. All that, along with Ivory's purity, and more doctors recommending it than any other soap, give me a lot of confidence in Ivory, you know.
Get down to basics with Ivory, a natural soap for healthy-looking skin.
Kids seem to keep on getting dirty. You seem to take it all in stride. You got a lot more dirt with children. You get a lot more clean with new Tide. Now there's a new Tide, designed just for you, Tide, to get out the dirt kids get into. You got a lot more dirt with children. You get a lot more clean with new generation Tide.
Have you compared leading cold creams with the fabulous warm cream called Albolene? You should. Albolene melts on your skin. Cold cream stays heavy. Albolene cleans eye makeup beautifully better. Both sides appear clean. But watch these oil-treated pads. See how much eye makeup cold cream leaves behind compared to Albolene. Albolene cleans makeup beautifully better than leading cold creams. Albolene, the warm cream.
And I noticed, Miss Christian, today you bought Tide. Is this your regular brand?
Mm-hmm. Yes, it is.
What do you like about it?
My clothes get very clean.
Tell me, what kind of dirt do these pretty young ladies get into?
Every kind. And I have a boy that plays Little League Baseball, and he does get dirty also. And plays in the swamp and hunts for frogs.
Have you ever tried the others?
Some samples through the mail, but I like Tide, and I like my children to look nice and clean.
I'm going to see how much you really like it. I'm going to take it away from you. I'm going to offer you twice as much of another leading detergent. I'll keep you Tide. I'll give you twice as much of another.
No. I want my Tide.
But there's twice as much here.
I want my Tide.
Really?
Yes.
Are you serious?
I am serious.
There's no way I can talk out of
For
it?
15 years I've used Tide, and I don't want to change. I like it.
Why do you like it enough to turn down 2 for 1?
Because it's that good.
So that's the way it is. Some ladies won't swap their Tide for even twice as much of another leading detergent. Get Tide, because you know you can trust Tide to get clothes clean.
Greatest shaving product ever made for after-shower shavers like me. New Formula 409 Bathroom Cleaner. Gets bathroom surfaces so clean even steam won't stick. The mirror proves it. Try cleaning half your mirror the usual way, half with new 409 Bathroom Cleaner. See the other side steam up? The 409 side so clean steam won't stick. Get 409 Bathroom Cleaner, the better bathroom cleaner. It sure revolutionized shaving.